But let's talk about generational wealth. I know the term has been thrown around and a lot of people don't even really know what it means. So I want to share what it means to me. My grandparents purchased a home before Black people could even get a home loan. And so they did what's commonly known today as owner financing, where the owner owns the property, they set a price. My grandparents paid about $50 a month, which was a lot of money at the time, until that loan was paid off. And once the loan was paid off, the house became theirs. They were ecstatic because they had done something that no one else in their family line had done. They had become homeowners. The beautiful part about generational wealth is that it means that each generation is not starting over from scratch. When you invest in a home, you are making sure that everyone who comes after you now has the opportunity to purchase. Now, if you don't think you can buy, or you want to buy, but you just don't know the process, then I invite you to subscribe to this channel so that you can watch our new podcast, Buy Back Your Life. I don't want you to miss an episode because we talk to real buyers. We don't just talk about the house hunt or the renovation, but we talk to real buyers so that you can understand the process. They tell you their highs, their lows, what they had to go through to purchase. I hope that you'll subscribe to watch Buy Back Your Life because I want to help you buy back your life.